Hello, ladies, gentlemen, boys, and girls. My name is Ed Nelson, aka King Leo, the CEO and the founder of the Players Club Entertainment. And today, I will be teaching on the World of Step Masterclass online. Now, my style is called the drummer style. Put together, drummer. Yes, a drummer style of step. So you're gonna hear a lot of flams, a lot of tick-tock, little dee-dee-dee-dot-dot, because that's how I like to have intricate steps, intricate beats with hands, feet, and legs. So, are you ready for this masterclass online? I can't hear you. Are you ready for the masterclass online? I know I am. So, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 2, part 2 of the African drum battle step. Now, if you saw part 1, you're gonna learn part 2 the same kind of way. Okay guys, I'm gonna show it, then I'm gonna break it down with the numbers. Once again, the way I teach, it's kind of like I said, because I'm a drummer, I like to use those sounds so you can kind of get an idea. Now, always understand, when it comes to my style, your body is like a drum machine. You have the bass, which is your feet, the snares, which is your chest, okay? And the cymbals is the claps. That's how I like to kind of, do it. So, let's start part 2 of the African drum battle. Now, I'm gonna show you it first. Then after I show you it, I'll break it down. Part 2. Okay? I'll do it one more time. Looks hard a little bit, but hopefully when I break it down, you have a better idea. I'll do it one more time. Okay, here we go. Now, as you see in this step, some things are a little repetitive because it's a drum sound. So, we're gonna start back. It predates from part 1. The same beginning, right hand last hit again, okay? Okay, once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, last hit, right leg. Now, this way gets a little tricky, guys. We're gonna come to the inside of the left leg. So when you come to your left leg, your right leg is the stomp. Bring it down. Okay? Right foot stomp, hit the left leg, bring it down. So it's I'll do one more time. Go from in to out. Okay? Hit, hit. Left hand, waving at the crowd. Okay? Once again. Everybody got that? Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ata, ata, ah. Ata, ata, ah. Little shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay? Ata, ata, ah. Everybody understand? Boom, ata. Okay? Next part. Okay? So once again. So you repeat. It's like a repeat. Okay, bring it back around to the top. Hear that double stomp? The double stomp is the repeat. So it's in, out, double. Right, left. Ah, ah, right, left. Okay? Right hand should be last hit. Okay? So the beginning, which is 1, 2, in and out, 3, back to the beginning. Now, the next part, we are repeating the in, out, but this time we're going from right, left, right. So it's in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay? And every time you go in, out, it is clumpish. Okay, so it's see that? Clump. Okay? See that? 1, 2. Every time the foot lands, you hit the leg. Ha, ha. Okay? So it's so 1, 2, 3. That third piece, the clump is left hand. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Hear that? 1, 2, ta-ta. 1, 2. So 1, 2. In, out. So you're going in, out, double, in, out. In, out, double, in, out, double, in, out. So we're going in, out, double, in, out, double, in, out. Little dance move for y'all. Okay? Ta, 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 ta. Okay? Drooled a little bit, sorry. So, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Here we go. Let's try it again. Pop, pop, dee-dee, tap, tap, dee-dee, tap, tap. Try it again. Double right after that. Okay? Now we go back to end part 2. It's the same beginning, but we're gonna jump in the air and land ta-ta. So it's left hand last hit, right left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Okay? So break down, break down, break down. Once again, in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay? So let's try it again. So sorry about that, guys. Woo! Burn it up. Feeling great. Get the energy. Get your ghetto trago. Okay, here we go. All right, let's try it one more time. And let's end with the dab. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, just in case. Remember the beat. Boom, ta, ta, boom, boom, ta, ta, boom, 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 dee 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 da pa pa pa. Here we go. Okay, guys, that's the end of part 2. Get ready for part 3, the finale. This is called the marching band move up. Now, if you saw the movie Drumline, or if you watch any live drum battles, every time snare drummers, they move up. They do whatever they do, they move up or back. On this part, we're gonna move up with the clumps. Hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed my style, called the drummer style, with a lot of flim, flam, tick-tock, bibbidi-boop-bop, dibbidi-day, okay? I know it was hard, but you should get used to it. And always remember, please follow at World of Step on Instagram and Facebook, and you can follow me, the GOAT, at KingLeo29 on Instagram, and my team's page at Players Club ENT. And always remember, it's not how you messed up, but how you recover. God bless. Now, where am I looking?
You're looking, this is your camera.
This is my camera, okay.
Main camera.
Because I was going to be like, how am I going to do this?
I'm gonna